Hi there. I'm gonna quickly show you how to draw shapes the best way in Procreate. Procreate is not a tool like Photoshop or Illustrator where you can edit vectors, but you can still do pretty good stuff here even if it's a freehand drawing tool. So you can see a few shapes I've drawn on myself. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's clear the layer. I'm using an Apple Pencil, but you can use your finger, of course. So let's start with a circle. You try to draw a circle the best way you can in freehand. Then hold your finger or Apple Pencil on the screen until the circle actually gets created, the best way that Procreate can do that, and go up and down to increase or decrease its size, okay? In case your circle it's not perfect, you can still use the transform tool and play with the distort or freeform tool. Actually distort in this case because I'm gonna do something like this, in order to make my circle more precise. Okay, looks like a almost perfect circle. You can play with it the way you want. Then, let's clear again the layer and draw a triangle, for instance, a big triangle. So start by drawing the first line and hold your finger on the screen again to create a line. Then another line here. Okay, hold your finger, release it when you're satisfied about how your new line looks like. Okay, let's draw another line, not get to the end, because you can do that later by moving your finger. And here's a triangle. Again, you can play with the transform tool, freeform, whatever. And let's see, you can do whatever you want, like an hexagon like this. First side on the top, then this. I'm going fast, so I'm not paying attention to make it really perfect, but it's just to give you an idea of how you can achieve this. So another side and another side. Here it is. This is an hexagon. Let me like distort it to try to make it perfect. All right. Okay, thanks for watching and hope it was useful for you, and see you on the next video.